Are you struggling with weight issues? Is it difficult for you to lose weight? You are not alone in facing this problem. There can be several reasons why you may not be able to lose as much weight as quickly as you'd like. Are you doing something wrong? Let's find out. And if you stay with us until the end, you will learn the 8 most important tips that nutritionists share with you. In today's video, we want to tell you some basic things that everyone who wants to lose weight should know. Weight loss can be an aesthetic or medical necessity, in which case, it is essential to follow the advice of a doctor. Losing up to 1 kilogram per week is considered a realistic and healthy goal. But things cannot be the same for everyone because we are different and have different preferences and needs. The general principles are the same for everyone, but the right approach must be found for each individual in order to achieve success. Next, we will present you with some scientifically supported ideas that will truly help you lose weight in a healthy way. It is well known that most diets intended to help you lose weight eventually make you feel unhappy and hungry. These feelings cannot be sustained for long, and it is clear that the diet will fail. In fact, you should focus on a healthier lifestyle to maintain your long-term health, rather than exhausting and discouraging diets that are often abandoned. The first factor you should consider is reducing refined carbohydrate-rich foods. This automatically reduces hunger and, consequently, you consume fewer calories. Moreover, your body will rely more on stored fat rather than constantly being fueled by simple sugars. Opt for sources of complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains. This way, you will benefit from a higher intake of fiber and have better digestion. Additionally, the level of satiety will be higher, so you won't feel the need to eat as much, resulting in consuming fewer calories. Finding a personalized formula is crucial for individuals facing difficulties in following a low-carbohydrate diet. Instead of completely eliminating carbohydrates, it is important to focus on the sources of carbohydrates, the quantity, and the appropriate timing, especially in the context of physical activity. It is worth mentioning that carbohydrates are not the enemies of the body. On the contrary, they are essential for numerous metabolic processes. To achieve your weight loss goal, it is important to include sources of protein, healthy fats, vegetables, and small amounts of complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains, on your plate. A balanced combination of these foods should be present in every meal. To maintain your health and muscle mass during a weight loss diet, it is crucial to consume an adequate amount of protein. Scientific studies have suggested that sufficient protein intake can improve cardiometabolic risk factors, as well as appetite control and body weight. In general, an average man should consume between 55 and 90 grams of protein per day, while a woman would need about 45 to 75 grams per day. It is important to note that protein requirements may vary depending on individual factors. Here are a few points to consider regarding protein intake. For a sedentary person, the protein requirement is approximately 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight per day. Individuals over the age of 65 need a protein intake between 1 to 1.2 grams per kilogram of body weight. Athletes require a higher protein intake, ranging between 1.4 to 2 grams per kilogram of body weight. Sources of protein can include meats such as beef, chicken, turkey, pork, and lamb, fish and seafood like salmon, trout, sardines, and shrimp, eggs, as well as certain plants such as beans, peas, chickpeas, lentils, quinoa, mushrooms, soy, and derived products like tempeh and tofu. If you want to lose excess weight, vegetables are an extremely beneficial category of food. They are packed with essential nutrients and have the advantage that you can consume them in large quantities without worrying about calorie or carbohydrate intake. All vegetables are rich sources of nutrients, but some vegetables like potatoes, sweet potatoes, zucchini, and corn have a higher carbohydrate content compared to others. In the case of a weight loss diet, it is recommended to focus on the following vegetables: broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, tomatoes, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, lettuce, cucumbers, and bell peppers. These are ideal options to meet your nutritional needs and maintain weight control. Regardless of the dietary plan you follow, it is important to continuously provide your body with healthy fats. Olive oil and avocado oil are excellent options that you can incorporate into your menu. Additionally, nuts, seeds, olives, and avocados are delicious and beneficial additions to your diet. However, Other sources of fats such as butter and coconut oil should be used in moderation due to their higher content of saturated fats. It's important to find a proper balance in consuming these fats to ensure a healthy and balanced diet. Don't neglect physical activity. Although it may be hard to believe, exercise is not absolutely necessary for weight loss. However, it can have multiple benefits. Firstly, physical exercise can accelerate the weight loss process, helping you achieve faster results. It can also help you stay healthy and in shape. Strength training, for example, consumes energy and prevents a slowdown in metabolism, which is a common side effect of weight loss. It is recommended to engage in strength training 3 to 4 times a week. If you are not experienced with such exercises, it's advisable to seek the assistance of a personal trainer and consult with your doctor before starting. In addition to strength training, it is beneficial to incorporate cardio sessions such as walking, running, cycling, or swimming. These activities primarily metabolize body fat. In conclusion, although not absolutely necessary, physical exercise can play an important role in the weight loss process and maintaining optimal health. If you are following a low-carbohydrate diet, it is not necessary to count calories as long as you maintain a low-carbohydrate intake and focus mainly on protein, fats, and green vegetables. However, if you notice that you are not losing weight, you should start monitoring your calorie intake to see if it is the key factor. For this purpose, you can use a free online calculator or consult calorie tables. Try to moderately reduce the number of calories, not exceeding 500 to 800 kilocalories from maintenance requirements, and do not go below the basal metabolic rate. If you are unsure how to approach these aspects, it is recommended to seek the help of a doctor or accredited nutritionist who can provide you with personalized advice and guidance. And now, here are the 8 tips from professionals. Eat a protein-rich breakfast. Scientifically proven to reduce appetite and calorie intake throughout the day. Base your diet on whole foods. They are nutrient-dense, more satiating, and have a lower risk of overeating compared to processed foods. Consume more fiber. Studies show that increased fiber intake can support weight loss. You can find fiber in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Limit sugary drinks and fruit juices. Empty calories from sugar are not beneficial for your body and can hinder weight loss. Stay hydrated. Drink water throughout the day, especially during physical activity. Drink coffee or tea. Caffeine consumption can help stimulate metabolism. However, avoid adding excessive sugar. Don't rush when eating. Eating quickly can lead to weight gain, while eating mindfully makes you feel fuller and stimulates hormones that aid in weight loss. It is crucial to have good quality sleep. Sleep is important for various reasons, and insufficient sleep has been found to be one of the most significant factors contributing to weight gain. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring on your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, we kindly ask you to consider liking and subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay connected with us and gain access to more valuable content on health, wellness, and lifestyle. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Stay healthy, stay motivated, and we'll see you in the next video.